just filling this gearbox now. I was filtering the oil as I wanted it. I've got the oil drum over there, that big blue thing. But I'm just filtering it so that if anything like dust, well not dust, but dirt got in there, it's not gonna like make the gearbox all mushy and stuff. I just wanted it to be nice and clean, really. But yeah, hopefully the JB weld will stick and stay and hold the oil. If it doesn't, I think I might just do it again. I hope that it doesn't, but you never know. If it does, then I'll just do it again, but I'm not going to fret over it. I've got the JB weld, I know how to do it now. Yeah, I don't think it's going to take much longer to get this tractor done. I've just got the bonnet and a few other bits to spray, like the wings and the fuel tank, but other than that, she'll be ready to for the showing season. First show is in, I think, 1st of July. Should be taking it to that. I might do a video there, might not. It's quite private, but I'll see. And then I might take it for to a few other shows. Might like the local show. But yeah. Right, so it's been a couple of weeks since the last clip, but the gearbox is holding up. It's fixed now, and there's not really any leaks, but yeah, it's all good. From that, and I've just been doing a few bits on it. Something on the fuel tank and everything. I've taken the wings apart so that I can prime the brackets so it doesn't rust into it if I don't catch any paint on it or anything. But yeah, I've just made up a battery box out of some angle iron. So I just need to grind down them welds and make sure they're okay, so that the battery fits in there nicely. And yeah, mostly done all the wiring for this now. I put the cable on. I just need to get an earth strap to bolt on somewhere. And yeah, we're not really that far away. Once that's done, I'm going to be ready to spray most of these parts, and then should be ready for the show. I was thinking, I got put the original exhaust on, and I think it looks like I resprayed it, but I've also got this stainless steel one here, straight pipe. And what I was going to do was put that on, but I don't know if it'll look original or not, but any good. Leave a comment in the comment box down below. And yeah, I don't think there's much else. This is just a quick update. It's been a couple of weeks since I've been filling it up with oil, and I've just been revising for my exams, which are coming up in the next couple of weeks. Yeah, sorry for the lack of videos though. There will be a lot more to come. As soon as my exams are over, I'm going to be driving this, doing field work, and probably some POV stuff as well. If you would like that, leave it in the comments if you want to. And yeah, still I've had a bit of interest on the steam engine, but not much. Did have one guy come over, but he didn't come, so it's just a bit of a disappointment really, because there's not much else I can do with it. Yeah, I had a steamer up the other day, you just must have seen. If you watch my videos you must have seen, which you should be. Yeah. Well, I suppose that's it for now. I'll catch you again next time. See ya.